Moin, ich bin Mike, wie geht it? I'm at the Documentation Center for Human Migrations. I just checked it out. It's really, really cool. I highly recommend it. So now I'm going to continue the Minett Tour. Next stop is the National Mining Museum in Rumelage. To get there, I'm going to use my mobilité app. Here, can you hold this? So it's really great because it knows where you are. It has a location feature. All you have to do is put in where you want to go, and it gives me two options. One, I can take a bus number 5, or I could take my bike, and it even gives me a map on how to get there. So that's what I'm going to do. Wow, this is amazingly beautiful. And up there in the distance, you can see what's called a humpen. Now the old factories used to use that to transport the molten slag, and they would just drop it off here in this canyon. Humpen, that puts me in mind of a nice cold one. I wouldn't mind having a nice cold humpen myself right now. So this place is amazing. This is an amazing place to ride a bike. So I would definitely recommend it. If you don't want to ride, if you want to take a bus, that's easy too. Now here it is, the National Mining Museum. I'm gonna go check it out. Well, that was a lot of fun. Riding through the heart and seeing the humpen up there, that was wild. So right now, I'm at the National Mining Museum. You should go there, it's an amazing place. For more information, go to mnm.lu. Right now, I am gonna ride a train into a mine. And you could do the same thing. Thanks for joining me. Adi, ciao.